Healthy food is a medicine to the soul. Welcome to Spice and Heritage, where every spice tells a story and every meal nourishes your body and soul. Today, I'm showing you how to make vibrant, delicious green rice with spinach, fried chicken, fish stew, and sweet fried plantains. This is not just food. It's healthy celebration on your plate. Stay with me to the end because I will share tips to make your green rice stand out every single time. We start by adding chicken to the pot. Salt for taste. Anise seed for a hit of sweet aroma. Bay leaf, fresh rosemary and thyme for the earthiness. Onion for the sweetness. Curry powder for the color and flavor. And a seasoning cube. Then stir together gently until it all well combined. Covered and let the chicken simmer until it releases its natural juice. After a few minutes, open and add more water to cook. Give a stir until it's tender and full of flavor. For our green rice, I'm using green sweet pepper, green bell pepper, onions, habanero pepper, and of course, spinach for that vibrant green color and healthy boost. I'm also paired with the fried chicken and whitening fish. Once the chicken is cooked, I heat oil in a pan. Add some onion for the aromatic. Then, fry the chicken pieces. Turn them side by side until they turn golden brown and tender. In the same oil, I fry a whitening fish and set both aside when all done. Now, in this infused oil, I add sliced onion again and add a peppermint. I fry until fragrant. To deepen the flavor, I add garlic, ginger powder, seasoning cube, salt, curry, and thyme. While that is fried, I blend my spinach. Then I caramelize onion in oil for about 5 seconds. Divide the blended spinach into two and save other for later. Then pour the blended spinach into the pan and let it steam for 5 minutes. This locks in the earthly flavor and fiber color. Keep your stove low to avoid losing that freshness. I also reserve a little black pepper for later to give our rice an extra kick at the end. In another pot, heat oil, add onions, then add washed rice to fry lightly. Keep stirring to avoid any burnt. This step helps lock in the grain and enhance the flavor. I use my wooden spoon to get to the depth of the pot to stir properly. At this point, bring back the leftover blended spinach. Add to the rice in order to give the fresh and earthly taste. Next, pour in our chicken broth. Stir more time. Check the seasoning and adjust if it's needed. Cover and let it cook. Open occasionally. Stir. Check if it's done and add water if it's needed. In my own case, my rice needs some water for easy cooking. Then I added and gave a thorough stir to avoid any burnt and to keep the texture firm. Covered and leave it to cook for another 5 to 10 minutes on a low heat. After 10 minutes, I opened and I gave another stir. Now comes the magic moment. Add the reserved steamed spinach paste to the rice. Stir thoroughly until everything is beautifully combined and every grain is coated in that gorgeous green sauce. Mix thoroughly. Our healthy, vibrant green rice is ready. Always remember, healthy food is a medicine to the soul. This green rice is heavily baked, my friend. It's so full of taste. Yummy. Oh goodness. You can't imagine it. It's so good. Look at that color and textures. It's healthy, delicious, and full of flavor. If you watched up to this point, thank you. Drop your location in the comment so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipe from Spice and Heritage. I garnish mine with fried chicken, fish stew, and fried plantain on the side. Let me know what you will garnish yours or eat yours with. Until next time, keep cooking with love because every spice tells a story. Bye. Love you and see you next time.